takes you, or your mind takes
And
you.
oh, well, it'll go beyond your mind.
Right. Okay.
So we're talking about when the hue will transcend your mind and emotions because it's a sound, they say, that is in a sense, the matrix of all creation, where formlessness comes into form. That's
Okay.
all, we're all created out of vibration, right? We're all created out of sound, a vibrational frequency, a vibrational field. So that sound of hue is a vibrational field, right where formlessness comes into form. That's way beyond our minds.
Hmm.
It moves us into source and soul and spirit. And that's why we want to use one of the highest vibrational frequency words.